watch out. Better use some backup. Better know cause she fucking with a gangster. And if you want, you can bring with whatever. I don't care, motherfucker, I'm a gangster.
Never was a thug, just infatuated with guns. Never was a gangster till I graduated to one and got the rap of a villain, for weapon concealing. Took the image of a thug, captured a villain, willing to stick out my neck for respect if it meant life or death. Never lived to regret what I said. When you're me, people just wanna see if it's true, if it's you. What you say in your rap, what you do, so they feel it's part of your obligation to fulfill. When they see you on the streets, face to face, and you for real. The confrontation ain't no conversation. If you feel you're in violation, any hesitation to get you killed. If you feel it, kill it. If you conceal it, reveal it. Being reasonable will leave you full of bullets. Pull it, squeeze it till it's empty. Tempt me, push me, pussies. I need a good reason to give this trigger a good squeeze.
I'm a soldier to watch out. Better use some backup. Better know cause you fucking with a gangster. And if you want, you can bring with whatever. I don't care, motherfucker, I'm a gangster. Better watch out. Better use some backup. Better know cause you fucking with a gangster. And if you want, you can bring with whatever. I don't care, motherfucker, I'm a gangster.
I love pissing you off, gets me off. Like my lawyers when the fucking judge lets me off. All you motherfuckers gotta do is set me off. I'm violating all the motherfucking bets be off. I'm a lit fuse, anything I do, bitch, it's news. Pistol whipping motherfucking bouncer 6'2". Who needs bullets? As soon as I pull it, you sweat bullets. An excellent method to get rid of the next bully. It's actually better cause instead of you murdering, you can hurt him and come back again and kick dirt in him. It's like pouring salt in the wounds. The song gets sued. You can smell the lawsuit soon as I walk in the room. Everybody halts and stops, calls the cops. All you see is bitches coming out their hall to tops, running and ducking out the Hot Rocks parking lot. You'll all get shot, whether it's your fault or not. Cause I'm a
soldier to watch out. Better use some backup. Better know cause you fucking with a gangster. And if you want, you can bring with whatever. I don't care, motherfucker, I'm a gangster. Better watch out. Better use some backup. Better know cause you fucking with a gangster. And if you want, you can bring with whatever. I don't care, motherfucker, I'm a gangster.
I spit it slow so these kids know that I'm talking to them. Give it back to these damn critics and sock it to them. I'm like a thug with a little bit of pop influence. I spew it and look how I got you bitches rocking to it. You motherfuckers can never do it like I can do it. Don't even try it, you look stupid, do not pursue it. Don't ever in your life try to knock the truest. I spit the illest shit ever been dropped into it. So ticky tock, listen to the sound, 6 on the clock. Listen to the sound of Kim and she licks on the cock. Listen to the sound of me spilling my heart through this pen. Motherfuckers know that I'll never be marshaled again. Full of controversy until I retire my jersey. Till the fire inside dies and expires at 30. And Lord have mercy on any more of these rappers that verse me and put a curse on authorities. In the face of adversity, I'm
a soldier to watch